likod, baka hinahanap niyo si Silver. Ladies and gentlemen, our crew! Palakpakan po natin. Nandito po sa tabi ko.
Only you don't mean you bet I felt it. I tried to reach you, but just a heart
Malakas na
felt it.
palakpak.
I fell right through the cracks. And I'm trying to get back. Before I could run out, I'll be
Si Silver naka-gold.
nothing's gonna stop
Ka naka-gold, di ba Silver ka?
I'm ready to my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
So shout mabuhay! Mabuhay ang paunasan! Epa! 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 Congratulations once again, Silver and King.
Tita, ba't ka umiiyak? Tita! Paano mo dyan?
Way up high, dream that you dream of once in my love, the pie,
Yari ka, pinayak ko
Once
tita.
again, malakas na palakpakan. And then sit for a while, ladies and gentlemen. Habang dumidiretso na po sila para sa ating cake and wine ceremonies. And Mr. Waiter, paki-assist po yung bagong kasal. Huwag po kayo magtaka, no? Talagang ang binasakan ko na siyang silver. Ganda kasi hindi niya Brazil. And now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we have the cutting of the cake. May we request the groom and the bride to prepare for the cake cutting ceremony. Of course, they are now here, the cake.